Colorproof Smooth Collection is designed to calm unruly tresses in frizz-prone, color-treated hair. Fueled by an infusion of avocado oil, Abyssinian oil, kelp and shea butter, these smoothing formulas nourish, repair, and defrizz while infusing fluidity, movement, and youthful shine. Smooth shampoo gently cleanses while smoothing hair. This sulfate-free, nourishing formula is designed to moisturize, calm, and smooth unruly, frizzy strands. Transform your hair and experience all-over softness, manageability, and protection from humidity and color fading. Smooth Conditioner is a rich and creamy formula that nourishes strands with targeted conditioning and leaves hair with glossy, smooth as silk results. Our Smooth Collection ingredients enrich hair and smooth the cuticle while delivering humidity resistance and lasting color vibrancy. Complete your wash routine with this rinse-out smoothing treatment designed to seal and resurface the hair. Cuticle Closer delivers an astonishing silky and fluid finish with glossy shine. This silky leave-in stylist favorite keeps hair smoother with a nourishing blend of oils. Plush Locks Leave-In Smooth helps reduce blow-dry time and defies frizz for a luminous silk-like finish with color and heat protection. Smooth Drops is a clear, feather-light treatment oil that infuses hair with lasting smoothness and glossy shine. A nourishing blend of avocado and Abyssinian oils along with shea butter and kelp adds vital moisture and strength. Just a few drops is all you need for an extra boost of luster, vitality, and color protection. Remember, every Colorproof product contains our proprietary advanced Color Last system that combines a powerful blend of proteins and antioxidants to restore, maintain, and defend against fading so you can be your most radiant self.